Hi, to your right. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. So I mean, first of all, congratulations to the team. That really looks great.
Thank you so much.
And the question for you is the idea of having supernatural as as a genre. It's transcended through mediums. You've been the pioneer on the small screen. Now you're here when horror comedies are doing so well, and we have another. What do you think? Because you've worked on the small screen and now you're working on the big screen through this genre. What do you think is about this genre that works so well and connects consistently?
It's fantasy fiction. It's escapism. It's light-hearted. It can transcend into a world that doesn't exist. And we all love a little dreaming, no? And if you can actually bring it on celluloid, why not? If you can dabble with characters that actually can give you the entertainment, the thrill, the fear, like especially a genre like horror comedy, it has so much strength in it, and it's so raw because you're laughing, you're crying, you're getting scared, you're experiencing the romance, the passion. So that's what I feel always, whether it's on the big screen or the small screen. And we're a country of folklores and stories from north to south, east to west. I think we have so many folklores, so many stories, and so why not? And Bhoot, Pret, Pishach, Nagin, all the mythological characters. We have grown up with it. We have lived through it. So I think that's why, like a story like Ramayana or Mahabharata, if you kind of do an adaptation and if you put it in any kind of films, I've seen it work all the time because there's relatability. So that's what I feel.
At the left of you, Moni. Here. Here.
Hello.
I'm visible. This is Adi from Filmbeat. I'll move to Sanjay ji first, then come to you. Sanjay ji, action खुद किया, मेहनत बहुत की. Do you feel the age also? Because आप benchmark set कर रहे हैं बहुत सारे नए actors के लिए कि इस उम्र में भी action जो है खुद ब खुद बहुत अच्छे से किया जा सकता है.
इस उम्र की बात क्या मतलब? जब दिल यंग रहता है ना तो एज मैटर नहीं करता.
Thank you so much. Sunny, my question to you. संजय जी के साथ काम करने के लिए हमेशा ही हर एक्टर जो है तत्पर तैयार रहता है. उनको लगता है कि समथिंग न्यू विल लर्न. बट यू आल्सो शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस कि कैसे आपने भूत प्रेत या फिर उनकी आसपास की जो चीजें हैं वो महसूस की. बट हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद हिम? व्हाट लर्निंग्स यू आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम संजय जी?
Yeah, जब मैं I remember when I was 7-8 year old.
Yes.
And I used to go on set with my father. I used
Yes.
to go on set with my father और मैं जाके शूटिंग देता था. तो तब से संजू सर का फैन हुए हैं. And I always wanted to meet him. But पापा के जरिए मैं सुनता था कि मतलब I always believe in old school. And I think जो मैंने उनसे सीखा है personally भी on set और professionally मैं और भी सीखना चाहता हूँ. The best part about him is, as I said, that he is always there for you. Like अगर मैंने शायद मैसेज किया हो सर उसी वक्त रिप्लाई करते हैं. I think इसी से बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है आपको. And as an actor, I tell you one thing. We were doing a OS shot and he was in front of me. Sir was not sitting. Sir was standing, giving me the cues properly. I think यही चीजें हम भी आगे जाके सिखाएंगे जो सर ने हमें सिखाई. तो बहुत आई एम रियली थैंकफुल दैट आई एम देयर विद हिम एंड आगे भी मौका मिलेगा.
Thank you
Moni,
so much.
Moni,